I don't know, being born with a gold spoon or something?
Wrong. It's capital, Morty. Capital is the 12th and maybe the most powerful form of value. It's not just money. It's money that works for you, multiplying itself while you binge watch TV. Or I don't know, run from space bugs.
Wait, so capital is just money making more money?
Exactly. Alfred Marshall, big brain economist, said capital is the part of your wealth you use to get even more wealth. Think of it like planting seeds that grow into money trees. But here's the twist. You don't just throw cash at random stuff. You invest it in businesses, startups, stocks, whatever, that look like they're gonna explode in value.
So, like buying a bunch of shares in a company before it gets huge?
Bingo, Morty. That's providing capital. You can be an angel investor, a venture capitalist, or just buy shares on the stock market. The key is, you're not just spending, you're buying a piece of the action. If the business wins, you win. If it tanks, well, you lose your capital. Risk and reward, baby.
But how do you know where to invest? I mean, what if I pick the next flop book instead of the next Facebook?
Good question. First, you need resources to invest. Can't play the game if you're broke. Second, you hunt for promising businesses. Third, you estimate what they're worth now, what they could be worth later, and how likely they are to crash and burn. And fourth, you negotiate how much of the company you get for your investment. It's like Shark Tank, but with less yelling and more spreadsheets.
Okay, but what's in it for the business owners? Why don't they just keep all the profits?
Because, Morty, some businesses need a ton of cash to grow. Think factories, tech startups, or even your uncle's questionable taco drone delivery service. By accepting capital from investors, they get the fuel to expand fast, launch new products, or conquer new markets. In return, investors get a slice of the pie: ownership, dividends, or a big payout if the company gets bought or goes public.
So, if I invest in a company and it does well, I get paid without lifting a finger?
That's the dream! You get dividends if they're profitable, or you cash out big if someone buys the company or it hits the stock market. Instead of letting your money rot in a bank, you make it work for you. But remember, no risk, no reward. If the company tanks, your money's gone. That's why smart investors do their homework.
Wow, Rick, so capital is like the ultimate cheat code for building wealth?
You got it, Morty. But it's not just about luck. It's about spotting opportunities, making smart bets, and sometimes getting a little lucky. Want to play in the big leagues? Master the game of capital.
Jeez, Rick, I guess I better start saving up and learning how to spot a winner.
Or you can invent a portal gun and skip the line. But hey, capital works too. If you want to win at life, make your money hustle for you. That's the real multiverse hack.
Thanks, Rick. Now I just need some capital to get started.
Start small, Morty. Even the biggest empires began with a single coin. And remember, don't just dream about wealth. Invest, learn, and let capital be your sidekick.